Bago natin simulan ang ating pagluluto ay ito muna yung pinaka-teknik kung paano ang mabilis na teknik kung paano magluto ng pancake. So ilalagay lang natin lahat ng ingredients sa ating kawali at tatakpan natin at hahayaan lang natin na maluto siya. Pwede tayong mag-cellphone, pwede tayong matulog pagbalik natin luto na. 1, 2, 3, tada! You do! Diba? Ganun lang kabilis, ganun lang kadali kung paano magluto. Try nyo. Hello everybody! Kusitinas! Maya tayag sapat takwami. Good morning, good morning! How are you guys? I hope everybody is okay. This is Cucina and welcome to my Cucina. Our dish for today is a dark chocolate pumpkin pancake. And actually I prepared this for the Father's Day. Pero this is only the time or only this time I do time to edit and upload it to our YouTube channel. So I'm sorry it's too late, but at least I didn't forget everything. So let's start. Happy tummy! The preparation. In this cup, there is a cup of flour, salt, baking powder, and sugar. And just sieve all the dry ingredients first. At dahil Father's Day ngayon, ay pagluluto kita ng cake. At alam mo kung anong cake ang hahanda ko? Dark chocolate pumpkin pancake. Alam mo kung bakit? Para i-celebrate ang naging madilim na ating samahan o naging relasyon. Kaya itong perfect para i-celebrate ang Happy Father's Day. Kaya kahit manamnesia ka at iniwan mo kami, at least hindi kami nakalimot. Alalahanin ka. Go back for cooking, so just boil the pumpkin and mash it properly. Sabi nila kasi, kumain ng kalabasa, pampalinaw ng mata para makita mong hindi kayo para sa isa't isa. Kalabasa, para sa relasyon mong wala ng pag-asa. Mix mashed pumpkin to the dried ingredients mixture and mix the all ingredients properly. Add the eggs. You told me you don't really do commitment, trust me. Consider your message received. When you said you couldn't take us too seriously, I must admit I was relieved. Cause I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having. Add vanilla extract. I'm fully aware this is a flash in the pan, but we can still have fun for now. Add 3/4 cup of water and mix it properly. Kaya nilagyan ko ng isang pirasong kalabasa para sa mga taong totoong pinaasa. Yun. Sabi nila madalas daw masaktan ang mga mababait. Ganun ba ako kabait para masaktan ng paulit-ulit? Bakit dark chocolate? Kasi ang chocolate, bukod sa di na matamis, mapait pa. Ganon yung nagiging relasyon natin. Bukod sa di na nga masarap, mapait pa. Pero okay lang yan. Basta healthy naman ako sa ngayon. Back in cooking. Add the chopped walnut and chopped chocolate. And mix it properly. Pinagtagpo pero di tinadhana, ika nga. So, yun talaga ang buhay. So, kailangan natin tanggapin. And now we're ready to cook our pancake.
I never wanna look at a house in the garden. I never wanna lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just my turn, but we can still have fun.
Heat pan in a medium fire and add some oil and spread it using a kitchen towel.
You told me you don't really do commitment, trust me. Consider your message received. When you said you couldn't take us too serious.
Now pour our cake mixture and cover it and cook it for 20 to 25 minutes.
I'm fully aware this is a flash in the pan, but we can still have fun for now.
And now let's check our cake if it's cooked now. And finally, it's almost done.
Don't worry, I get it. I meant what I said when I said
And stick it out and we'll make now the toppings.
I never wanna lock you down.
The toppings is only just dark chocolate and milk, powdered milk. So just melt the dark chocolate and the powdered milk in a saucepan in a medium fire. Pero sana sa ngayon matuto kang makontento sa taong nagmamahal sa'yo. Hindi man yan maibigay ang lahat ng gusto mo. Ang importante, hindi ka niya lulukuhin. Kaya dapat magpakatino na po tayo sa isang tao na huwag tayong basta-basta papasok sa isang relasyon kung hindi man natin kayang pangatawan. Kasi hindi madaling manakit ng damdamin ng isang tao at lalo na pag mayroon pang madamay na iba. So now back in cooking. So this is our dark chocolate pumpkin. It's ready to eat, so let's try now. It's how the test, if it's so yummy or not, because this is my first time actually to make this kind of cake. And as of now, I see that it's look like so yummy, so I'm so excited to try how it's look like, because this is my first time to cook this kind of cake in a pan. So this is so exciting and it's look like so yummy. So let's try it, guys. Ang sobrang kapit ko at ayaw kong humiwalay. Pero ako lang ang masasaktan, kaya kailangan kong pilit humiwalay sa isang relasyong aking pinasukan. O diba? Ganun yun. So let's try now the cake. Yung cake kasi ayaw niyong humiwa. Hiniwa mo na nga, ayaw pang mahiwa. Nampahugot tuloy ako. Charot. Habang kinakain natin itong dark chocolate pumpkin pancake, ay ito lang ang masasabi ko. Hindi ko kailangan ang taong sisira ng tiwala ko. Ang kailangan ko ay yung taong kahit nakatalikod ako, pinapahalagahan ang tiwalang ibinigay ko. Yun lang. So, thank you guys for watching and hope you like it. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share, and subscribe to our channel. And please don't forget to on your notification bell for you to notified for our next video. And always remember, a good recipe is useless if without heart in cooking. Bye guys! See you in our next video. Bye!